Alright guys, this right here is a 2022 Volkswagen. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to take off the trim panel. You take off the trim panel. Alright. There's a screw. You see that black thing there? You wanna move this down. Remember, this is a 2022 Volkswagen Taos. See the black thing right here? Get that out of the way. See the screw in there? It's right in there. Take that out. Use the magnet to catch it. Bam. That's what it is. Bam. It's a torque T27. T27. Now we come down here. Up underneath. You see that right there? See that? Turn it. Turn it. Turn it up and straight. Then you put this up in the knit it and fry it out. Okay? Fry it out. You put your hand right here. Hold that. Hold that. Now up here now. See? You hold it, pull it up. Hold it, pull it up. That's it. When you come down here, see this right here? That is the handle. Push this piece, push this back like that. This, back like that. Open it up, bam, release. This right here, push this, take it out. Alright? Now, there's another one down here. See this plug right here? Take that plug out, bam. Push that out. Now we're going to let this thing hang because we might have to put up the window to take out the mirror. See this? We're going to move this. Move this. Y'all see that screw down there? The screw inside there. Like that big, okay? Now, that is to take out the mirror. Let's find the wiring for it. Let's unhook this thing right here. Unhook this. Take it out of there. Oh, it's still. Turn it around. See that ring thing? Push that down. Push that in. Take it out. Alright. Let's make it more easier. Push this in. Push this in right here. Push this in right here. And pop this thing out. See? Pop it out. Let's go get that. Okay, we got that. Now we might need this to bring up the glass to take out the wiring. Alright guys, we're gonna have to move the speaker out the way in order to get to the wire. Let me see something. Smooth it. That's all I thought. Okay, now this gotta move up window. Let's turn the car on. Come on. We're gonna move the glass up. Move the glass up. Okay. Alright, let's go get that screw right there. That. See this screw right there? This side there. Yeah. Alright, let's find the right size to this thing. Piece off the floor. Can't be, man. It gotta be this one. It gotta be this one. It's not, I don't know. Alright, this is a number 10 millimeter star head. All right, first thing first, we gotta get to the wiring. So get something short or a drill to knock it out. I cut mine off. Chop that off. That's one. That's two. You could also use a driller down and pull it out. But for me, this way is quicker because time is consuming. See? Bam. Screwdriver. Pry it out. Ooh, nigga. Now, let me show you guys. You see? This is a wire for the mirror. This is a wire for the mirror. Not you, jerks. It's right here. Hurts. Let me show you guys. Alright. See right there, that is a wire for the mirror. Go straight up. So we gotta get this wire from out there. Ooh, nigga. What do you think? Alright, when you do that, you want to hold it with left hand, your right hand, take it out. Like this. Uh-oh, it fell down there. That happens sometimes. That's fine. Now look, let me show you guys. See, the wiring goes all the way down here, right? Which is this. This is why I took off the speaker. It's right here. Pry it out. Take that out from there. Let me show you guys. See, it's right here. It goes up here. See? Okay. This is why right here. See? Shake it. It's this one right here. Okay. Use your tool. Push this back. I'm gonna tool that, man. Use it with the small one. Push this back or forward. All right, push it that way. See, take it out now. Run it through like this. It's two of them. This one too. Take that out. The pin, right, push the pin, pull it out, okay? And right here, pull it out. Pull it out. See, one more right here. You hold it with your left hand, and you pull it off the right hand. Now you hold it. Get the mirror. See? Pull it out. Pull it out. That's how you take out the mirror for a 2022 Volkswagen Taos. Okay? Bam. Now let's do the handle now. Let's get the screw back. See? Screw's right there. Bam. Screw. Now, in order to get the handle out, the black piece out, put it on there. Okay. Let's take out that right there. This is the one. Bam. Turn that. Okay. We're gonna turn this right there. Now all the way. And you're gonna put this. You're gonna pull this. You're gonna pry it out. Pry it out. And take this. This one right here. Alright. See this one right here? This holds this. Turn it off. It's two of them, okay? Now all the way, a little bit. Remember, it holds this. A little bit. Hold it right there. So do this, see? Oh, one more. Is that there? Turn some more. Now all the way. Do not take it out all the way. Do not remove that all the way. Or this comes out. All y'all use on, keep playing with it. It's loose already. You just gotta play with it. Alright, see? When that stays there, so you put the key inside there and you turn it, okay? I'll put it back to show you. Once you have these things too loose, put the key inside here, you turn it, take it out, bam, take it back out. This goes back inside of here. Put that back. Now, with this one, you're gonna pull this back and forward, okay? Now you see this? Push this back. Right here. Push that back, bam, came out. Put that back right here. That's how you do it, okay? Take this out. Right. Now that is how you take off the handle, the mirror, and the trim panel. Alright. Take you guys to the next video. Thank you very much. That's how you do that.